Yay! 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 Yay!
Hey, remember? We made a deal. I was quiet for you hours ago.
Weird
Now
sounds.
it's late. Those
Whoa.
yeah, all of that.
Oh.
It goes to bed. You put them all to bed.
Hey, Homer. What, Mo? Song's kind of annoying. Yeah. Oh, Peter, just go to bed. Stop making so much noise, Peter, and go to bed. Okay, Cleveland, I heard some noise too. I wonder where it was coming from.
Cleveland's got that right.
Peter, ignore it. Alright, noises. Oh my God. Peter! The guy in the wheelchair, I'm doing. Oh, yeah, it's just some noises I was making. Stewie, what the hell are you doing? That's most irritating with noises. Oh, Bryan, you just have to get used to it. Yeah, used to it. Like, that's easy to do, Stewie. Well, back for my job. How was work, Peter? Oh, not bad, Lois. My boss is being a bit of an asshole, but other than that, everything was good. Dad? Yes, Meg? Why did you eat all the chocolate bars? Oh, I don't know, Meg. I was hungry. Dad? Chris? With all the chocolate bars, oh my God. Oh, God! I'm sorry, Chris. I was hungry. Oh, the fat man. He just never knows when to stop eating, that little fat man. Hey, Stewie, you don't want any food? I'm gonna eat all your food. Oh, go right ahead, fat man. Eat as much food as you possibly can. I don't really give a fuck anymore. Stewie, watch your language. You're only a baby. So what? I don't care if I'm a baby. Because I can do what I want. Fat man. Scene.